Clark. Clark. Where are you?
Are you going to go up the old 91 or up the?
Yeah. There's no sense hurrying. We can drag it out a little bit, right?
Just put along. I'm going to film you guys. So if I go past you or something, then wave you on past. Just go for it. Then I. Yeehaw! Well, YouTube, we're going on a little ride today. Kind of a little pre-Christmas ride with the Juab area bikers. Most of them are on like the cruiser style, but not all of them. Brent here's on the chopper. It's like a maybe a 1970s CB750. It's a 4-cylinder Honda. And we got my buddy Mike here. He's on the Sportster. I believe it's a 1998 model. And we got a Yamaha and nice looking bike. And we got a couple of Hondas here. Nice bikes. Now Brent pulled off there. I don't know if he had a problem. He'll be coming though. He's got a good cruising speed on that chopper. So. Hey, 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 hey. There he comes. Hey, God, I almost forgot we're turning here. Yeah, we're going to take the old highway 91. This was the main north-south route through Utah before they built the freeway. Nice little cruising road here. Yeah, that That Honda 750 sounds pretty rad there. She runs. Yeah, the old CB 750 runs, man. I think that thing will go, I don't know, 120, 30. Cool bike. I'll slow down here and get the guys to come by. If they will. Get a good look at them here. Here we got Honda, looking good. Honda, looking good. Yamaha, looking good. Harley, looking good. Now I'll blow a little smoke on that pick-em-up truck there behind us. Looks like we got the old sheriff top of the hill there. Sheriff or DWR. Cruising, cruising, cruising. Cruising with the cruisers. Man, that's hard to imagine that I was riding this bike 40 years ago. 40 years. Well, more than 40 years. Like 42 years. This bike's in 1972. It was actually, manufactured in 1971. It's the first year that they were made, and they actually that year had the most power. They a couple of years later, they started kind of detuning them a little bit because they were just a little too radical for the riders. They were having a few safety problems. Now we got a farmer up ahead of us here, and anybody who knows farmers, you know that they can pull off that road anytime they want, because they've been pulling off of there for a lot of years. And you're just supposed, if you happen to come by there, then you're supposed to know that farmer pulls in that gate there about that time every day, hauling a little water to his cattle or his sheep. So if any of you city folks get out in the country here, you might want to keep that in mind. If you get behind a farmer and pick him up a truck, just be prepared, because he might want to pull over there and open his gate. Hello there, Sheriff. That's a perfect day, perfect weather.
Yeah, it's nice.
I'd rather be like this than hot.
Yeah.
Did you turn your key off?
I did. It's
Good.
right there.
Yeah.
Thanks, George.
Okay. I don't want to be finding points again.
It wouldn't be a normal fit if we just have some kind of fire or something.
We would like to thank you all for watching this video. A special thanks to all the members of the Juab Area Bikers Motorcycle Club who were able to be here today. We had a wonderful ride, enjoying the unusually mild temperature. We were able to enjoy a wonderful lunch and share time with friends. But best of all, we were able to donate toys to the Nephi City Sub for Santa program. What a wonderful blessing it is to share with others. May your families all be happy, safe, and full of the Christmas spirit. May we ride again soon. This is Dr. Dual Sport.